Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to talk about the topic that holds immense significance in our lives, change starting at childhood. As the saying goes, change is the only constant. Indeed, change is an inevitable part of our existence. But where does our understanding of change begin? It all starts from the formative years of childhood. From the moment we are born, we enter the world that is in a constant state of flux. As infants, we learn to adapt new environments, routines, and experiences. Our young minds are incredibly malleable, absorbing information, making sense of the world around us. As we grow, the lessons we learn throughout our early years lay the foundation of our perception of change. Childhood experiences, whether big or small, help us develop resilience, adaptability, and an acceptance of the unknown. From the first day of school to making new friends, these moments teach us to embrace change as an opportunity for growth. Parents, teachers, and caregivers play an important role in shaping a child's perspective towards change. Encouraging open conversations about change, addressing fears, and emphasizing the positive aspects of it can foster a healthy outlook that extends into adulthood. This innate curiosity fuels their ability to adapt and thrive in a world that's constantly evolving.